Here at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2009 Yamaha WR250. This bike is offered for $4,199 here at Contra Costa Powersports, and it's in amazing shape. Just put brand new tires on this bike. As you can see, still has the nubs on it. You see front and rear. The bike's had a complete service, valves checked and adjusted, oil changed, and this thing's dialed in and ready to go. This is a green sticker bike, so you could ride it year-round. It's got electric start, nice and easy to start, or if you want to kick it, you can do that also as a backup. It's liquid cooled, just a great all-around enduro bike. Now this one also has some nice Cycra handguards on it, and she's dialed in and ready to go. Again, $4,199 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.